This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack Gold 22GOLD13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features a Aspen Gray interior, sleeps 6, oven, refrigerator, stove-top burner, external shower, microwave, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, water heater, awning, LP detector, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features couples coach, mid-kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack Gold 22GOLD13 is 5,808 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.